called Whiskey on My Wings. I've never been perfect. I'm like a flower growing wild. I kinda keep swerving down that straight and narrow mile. I'm born again and born to run. It got a little rebel in my blood. I lay my head down on that morning sun. Might be a little neon on my halo. Saturday night ain't my time to lay low. I'm baptized, faded white and holy jeans. I'm somewhere between amazing grace and dragging it late when I hear the church bells ring. With a little whiskey on my wings. I got a reputation of thinking right and doing wrong. Lord, I'm fighting temptation, but that fight don't last too long. Like the angel that ain't quite divine, I'll skip the water, drink the wine. My road to heaven's gonna be an uphill climb. Pointing at you, grab my number 2. Might be a little neon on my halo. Saturday night ain't my time to lay low. I'm baptized, faded white and holy jeans. And Mama's been praying for my salvation. I'm somewhere between amazing grace and dragging it late when I hear the church bells ring. With a little whiskey on my wings. Now take me downtown where the nights are hotter, the music's loud and the drinks are stronger. Carry me down to the muddy water. Might be a little neon on my halo. Saturday night ain't my time to lay low. I'm baptized, faded white, holy jeans. And Mama's been praying for my salvation. I'm somewhere between amazing grace and dragging it late when I hear the church bells ring. With a little whiskey on my wings. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved one big old hot mess like me. Thank you.